I am at Angel Stadium today, and the Angels are going to play against the Baltimore Orioles. It's the 3rd of July. It's going to be fireworks tonight. The Angels are halfway through the season. Hopefully they do well the second half of the season. They're about 40-41, so they've played 81 games so far. I'm going to be walking to the gates. They're going to open about 20 minutes at 5:30. Game starts at 7:10. They open the gates 90 minutes before first pitch, so we'll definitely be doing some batting practice. I do have my orange shirt, which corresponds to the Orioles colors. I do have my Angels cap. I do have a San Francisco Giants cap in my bag because I don't have a Baltimore Orioles cap, and it's an orange cap, so definitely blends with their colors. We wore my GoPro, and hopefully I get some good catches and then some toss-ups. Definitely some home runs on the fly would be great. Yesterday was a great game. They walk-off fashion. Shohei Ohtani hit 2 home runs. I wish I would have been at that game. I'm gonna head to the gates and get in line. If you're new to this channel and you like what you see, you like baseball and you like watching baseball videos, definitely subscribe to my channel and also click the bell notification so you can be notified when my videos get uploaded. I'll be doing quite a bit of videos this summer during baseball season. I'll see you in the ballpark. Good, how you doing? Yeah.
Okay.
It's a terrible spot, man. Thank you. It's ball number 32 lifetime. Here comes one. Bomb. Look at that one. He's gonna catch it. Oh, not quite. It went the other way. Better ball? Yeah. That's number 33. I just gave it to that kid.
James, that's you, buddy?
They're pretty cool. They're a pretty good team. Very generous. I like teams like that. Crooked numbers are nice. I do count the ones that give away to kids and people. I'll choose. I definitely like this team. That's a team to watch when on the road. Too short. Thank you, third one. Anybody not get a ball yet? You get a ball yet?
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's number 3 on the day. Ball number 34 lifetime.
I'll teach you out of a crowd because the color of your shirt.
Yeah. That's actually a Giants cap. Yeah. Yeah. Who's that guy anyways? Number Thank you. Number 60, I think. I think that's number 60. Is that right? Can I break my record for a game? Oh, here goes. Mattson. So it was Mattson. He's wearing number 60 that threw me the ball. Isaac Mattson, I think. Yeah, Isaac Mattson. So that's the guy who threw me the ball. Heads up. It's Buren. Oh! Hit the pole. Should have hit the ground. It probably would have.
Came right here. Like 4 in a row.
Yeah. This is in a good spot. Okay, batting practice is over. I ended up getting 3 baseballs. Lifetime number 34. Lifetime. My record is 3 for each game, for a game, but I'm looking to add on 1 more to break the record. Maybe I'll get one from the Angels bullpen. Definitely give it to a kid. Unless it's a commemorative, I'll keep the commemorative and give the other one to a kid. So the Baltimore Orioles are pretty awesome of a team. I think they're dead last, but they are very generous. They did hit some bombs out here, which I got on GoPro. So I am sitting right here about 6 rows back from the bullpen, the Angels bullpen. Good view of when they're warming up. Definitely a good place for toss-ups to get a few maybe at the end of the game or before the game. Break that 3-ball record. So I have changed it to my Angels gear, Angels cap. I was wearing a Giants cap and a orange shirt. That's probably how I got 2 toss-ups from an Orioles player and coach. So that was a good idea of mine. Now I'm switching to the Angels gear so I can probably get a toss-up from the bullpen from the Angels for number 4 of the day, number 35 lifetime. Interesting fact, Isaac Mattson, who tossed me up my 3rd ball of the day, was born on July 14th in 1995, which is the day my brother was born. So he's about 2 years younger than him. Pretty interesting fact. Didn't know that. I just looked at his stats and saw that he was born that same day.
All right, it's time, Clyde. Let's play ball. He still got it, ladies and gentlemen.
Got it.
Clyde Rucker.
Cobb.
Batting second, playing in left field.
Like he's giving her his autograph. That's interesting. Usher. Must be famous Usher here. Angels are coming out.
For your Angels, brought to you by Coca-Cola. At first base, Jared Wolf.
1 out.
Left fielder, number 21,
Strikeout.
Austin Hayes.
1K on the board. Foul ball. I'll let it go down. Got it. Hayes, Austin Hayes. Got another strikeout. And so far, so good.
Designated hitter, number 16, Trey Mancini.
Machado used to be on the Orioles too. Now he's moved on to the Padres.
Leading off for your Angels, second base, number 22, David Fletcher.
Good view. Here we go. Base hit, lead off.
For 17.
The same helicopter flies over a lot. You are the MVP. You are the Cy Young, the home run leader. The pitcher is trying to not throw strikes. You know what's going to happen if he makes a mistake. Of course, he can't hit it this far. It's lefty. He's going for it. Ball 4, he takes a walk. Walk, nice. Good eye. Good eye, Rondon. Load the bases. Get a granny. He needs to go to the All-Star game. Come on, Mr. Clutch. Yeah! Everybody's safe. 1-0 Angels. Double play. Out. So we got 2-0 Angels. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Let's go. 3-1 Angels. Got the out though, and run scored. 1 out. They're trying for a double play. They only got 1, but at least they got 1. Oh, that was going in room and play. Yep, he got it. Good. They got 1 run out of that one. Really got a chuggy chug. They're gonna chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it. Go, double play. Nice double play. Nice way to get out. Trout says that guy needs to be in the All-Star game. Should replace him, because Trout cannot play. He's injured. Oh, here he goes, something. Here he goes! Yeah! Let's go! Double. Looks like a double. Yeah. Goosey! Yes, Goosey! RBI. How you doing? Tossed up the third ball of the day to me. Yeah! Here we go! No! So dang close. So I'm moving over to the visiting side because foul territory, because there's going to be fireworks, and where I'm sitting at, it's blocking it off. You can't really see. It's behind us. There's plenty of empty seats over there where we can watch the fireworks at. Vlad Guerrero, Hall of Fame. It's the Angels Hall of Fame, that is. Hall of Fame for the Angels. 2000 World Champions. Bobby Grich. That was bobblehead. It's Nolan Ryan. Hall of Famer. Yep, speed check by radar. And I'm heading over to foul territory right now because there's going to be a view of the fireworks. Maybe I'll get a foul ball or a third out ball. Close or not. I think we'll head over here somewhere. So I have moved over here to the first base side, visitor side. There's where the dugout is. Oh, that's it. That's the final score. 4-1 Angels.
The totals on the ball game for the Orioles: 1 run on 5 hits, no errors, and 3 men left on base. And for your Angels, 4 runs on 8 hits, no errors, and 11 men left on base. Fans, our post-game fireworks show will begin in just a few minutes.
It's the front office and the coaching staff shifting them properly, put them in the right spots to succeed. So, you know, I require a lot of help.
Thank you for your time. Great job, Alex.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Alex Cobb.
So this is the World Series trophy from 2002. Nice. Some memorabilia from that year. Final score: Angels won 4-1. It was a great game. I enjoyed the game. I got 3 baseballs during batting practice. I gave 2 away to kids. That's actually my record, is 3. I've gotten 3 balls at 3 different games. I haven't been able to break the 3-ball barrier, so I was trying to get the 4th one, but no luck on that one. But I can't complain because I've got 3 of them this game. Total lifetime is 34. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I definitely like to get the support to my channel. I have 69 subscribers already. I've definitely grown my subscriber base since the start of the season. I think I started with like 24 and I have 69. I'm definitely looking to get to 100 pretty soon. So definitely hit the subscribe button. It definitely helps me out. I spend a lot of time on these videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.